ARTISTE E1 TV headphone use and troubleshooting. This video will show you how to use ARTISTE E1 TV headset. Charging correctly. Please charge the batteries for about 3 hours before first use. Firstly, put the two batteries into the headphone and base. Then connect the adapter to the DC in jack, the other side to your family electronic power. You will see the power LED flashing. The one on the base is charging. Please turn off the headphone. Put the headphone into the base. The both red lights will be on, mean they are charging. When both of the charging LED turns to green, it means that it's fully charged. Connection. Before connect the transmitter to your TV, please check your TV's output option, and please disconnect other audio output with your TV, like soundbar, which may affect the headphones working. There are three connection methods: 3.5mm AUX, RCA, and optical connection. Recommend the use of optical connections. What's best? Optical connection. Connect the optical cable to the optical port at the back of the base, and other side to your TV optical output. Connect power to the base. Turn on TV and play sound. Turn on the headphone. The LED flashes and then turns to green, indicating the headphone and the base are connected successfully. Then you will hear sound. If no sound, please check your connection and ensure TV system is set to headphone and TV audio format is set to PCM. If the headphone's LED lights red, please press microphone once, changes to green, means that the headphones switch to watching TV mode. For detail, please check the user manual. 3.5mm and 6.3mm connection. First, connect the 3.5mm cable to audio in at the back of the base, and other side to your TV 3.5mm audio out jack. Please notice it is audio out, not audio in. Connect power to the base. Turn on TV and play sound. Turn on the headphone. The LED flashes and then turns to green, indicating the headphone and the base are connected successfully. Then you will hear sound. If no sound, please check your connection and ensure TV system is set to headphone and TV audio format is set to PCM. If the headphone's LED lights red, please press microphone once, changes to green, means that the headphones switch to watching TV mode. For detail, please check the user manual. What's more, how to connect to 6.3mm port is the same as connecting 3.5mm cable. Just need to put one side of 3.5mm cable to connect 6.3mm adapter plug. Then plug 6.3mm side into the 6.3mm big headphone point of TV. Then do the same steps as 3.5mm connection. RCA connection. Connect 3.5mm cable to female 3.5mm cable. Then connect it to TV audio out RCA jack. Please notice it is audio out, not audio in. Connect power to the base. Turn on TV and play sound. Turn on the headphone. The LED flashes and then turns to green, indicating the headphone and the base are connected successfully. Then you will hear sound. If no sound, please check your connection and ensure TV system is set to headphone and TV audio format is set to PCM. If the headphone's LED lights red, please press microphone once, changes to green, means that the headphone switched to watching TV mode. For detail, please check the user manual. Test. If no sound audio connect via 3 different ways, please follow below steps to test this item. Connect the transmitter to your phone via 3.5mm cable. Play sound. Then connect power to the base. The LED light flashes. Turn on the headphone. The LED light on the headset flashes and then turns to green. The power light on the base gets brightly, indicating the headphone and the base are connected successfully. You will hear sound. If no sound, please contact us. We will replace a new set to you. If you can hear sound, mean that the unit works. You should contact your TV manufacturer for more details. Repair steps. If no sound and the LED on the headphone flashes green, it means that the headphone is disconnected with transmitter. Please follow the steps as below. Turn on TV and play sound. Disconnect transmitter power. Turn on the headset, then press and hold mic button for about 5 seconds until the green light near the volume button flashes quickly. Turn on the transmitter power. The green indicator light flashes, indicating that it begins to identify the surrounding headphones. When the green indicator light on the headphone becomes from quick flash to slow flashes, the green light on the transmitter is on, means search matching is completed. Hearing aid mode. This function is for daily hearing, help the elderly and hearing impaired improve their hearing. In this mode, you don't need to connect with transmitter. Turn on receiver. Once press mic, the LED turns to red, and it means that the headphone is in hearing mode now. Wear it. You will hear all sound by your side. Troubleshooting. Surrounding sounds loudly, even hurt my heartbeats. In this case, you can see the headphone's LED lights red. It is hearing mode that will amplify all sound, even your heartbeat and breath. Please press mic once. The LED changed to green. The headphone switched to watching TV mode. Only one side can hear sound. Please check the status of sound balance button. Turn to L. Left sound will be louder and right sound will weaken. Turn to R. Right sound louder. The normal reason for this problem is that the RCA cable is connected to audio and video jack on TV. It can only output one channel. Please connect via optical cable. The sound is noisy or no sound in the headphones. Please see whether you plug the cable into audio in jack, and notice other wireless devices such as routers, TVs may interfere with the signal of the headset. Please keep them away from the transmitter. After connecting to headphones, only headphones have sound, but TV has no sound. Normally, 3.5mm AUX port only supports that headphone receives sound, while TV is no sound. Please connect via RCA cable or optical cable. Both TV and headphone get sounds. If no sound, please see the menu for details about setting TV audio. This headset will automatically shut down with no audio input, or audio sound is too weak for 5 minutes. The headset will automatically enter the power saving mode. You need to reopen the audio and restart the headset if use it again. If you cannot find the TV setting we instructed as above steps, please contact your TV's factory. That's all. Thanks for watching.